I'm your Rockport neighborhood news reporter, Adam Beam, and this home behind me here is just one of the many damaged during Tropical Storm Alberto. We spoke with the homeowners who are wasting no time picking up the pieces.
A couple minutes later, I just heard a noise and whop, whop, whop.
This is Bonnie Krager,
And I was walking over there to tell him, I said, Bob, the tornado is just right over here.
alerting her husband on one of two tornadoes
Pop, pop, or something. He said, yeah, it just went over.
that touched down due to Tropical Storm Alberto on their front lawn.
See, the tornado, I guess it whirled, and it took the corner of the roof off and took that off. It's just a big hole up there.
Despite the damage, the two are grateful that it wasn't more severe.
Like Job, he went into, he lost everything, but it's going to come back.
It's a surprise, but I know now when they say take cover or whatever, take cover. It could have been worse. It could have took my husband.
In the wake of the storm, the two have received help from family and friends, and even those in their community have come out to their aid. However, Bob feels that while the community was fast to react, he's disappointed with the response from their insurance company.
It seems like they're in a hurry to help you. There wasn't that much damage in this area. They shouldn't have a lot of agents out doing anything because there's only a few places that got damaged.
Bob and Bonnie Krager tell me that they are grateful for the support the community has given them in this time. In Rockport, I'm your neighborhood news reporter, Adam Beam, Chris 6 News.